Hello, welcome to Technology Platform. So today we are going to see asset keyword. So how to use the asset keyword and what is the purpose? Why we are using the assertion error and asset keyword in Python? Let me open idle. So now, okay, just for your example, I will show you like a equal to 1. First, let me explain. So assert syntax is like assert is a keyword and then condition. If fails, then throw an error message. So this is the syntax. Okay, now let's see this. I will say like a equal to 1, b equal to 0, a divided by b. Now you will get an error message like not division by 0 and all. Here I want to display something, some our message has to display here. Let's see this. A equal to 1, b equal to 0. Here I used to do like assert a slash b comma, then b should not be 0. This is our error message. Now let's see this. So here you just see some message, whatever we display written here, the same thing it is displayed here. So because of that we are using asset. And also explain some more example. Now let me open my notepad. I written something. Okay, now see this. I'm going to take my list. Okay, so I'll take like this. Now here what I'm going to use it is like assert if I is less than 3. Till now the loop should be run. If it is greater than 3, then the loop should be n. So I'm just indirectly saying something like this. Now see this. So here I in my list, I'm just using it assert I less than 3, I is greater than 3, so loop ended like that. I'm just saying. Now see this. I is greater than 3, so loop ended. Are you getting it right? Now if I'm not using this assert, what will happen is that we need to use some if class, right? So we need to use it if I less than 3, then print I, like that you want to use it, right? So instead of that we are using it. So for that I used something here again by using some if class. Now see this. This is the class and I am just initializing chapters. If chapter is less than 0, then it should be say like chapter should be greater than 0 and should be positive, then display, right? This is what I'm going to execute it. Let's see this. Now I'm going to create a class. In that I'm saying that I'm using if class. I'm not using any asset class. I'm using if class. If chapter less than 0, then raise value error, like that I'm going to raise it, right? Now I am going to display this. Now let's see. I'm going to run it now. Call my class, then 10. I used to do like 1. Okay, then my class dot display. Now see this. Okay, what is the error? Oh, sorry. Call my class. Okay, call my class dot display. Okay, Now this is returning 1 because there is no error message. Now I am going to pass it here itself -1. Now see this, you are getting an error message. So whatever we return here in if class, raise value error, chapter should be greater than 0 and should be positive. So like that, you are using an if class. Now what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to use the same raise class itself, but additionally in display itself I'm going to add it. So the same if class, instead of if class, I'm going to use it assert class, assert keyword. Okay, here also I need to write, right? If self dot chapters greater than equal to 0, raise value error, please enter chapter value is greater than 0. Instead of that, I'm going to use it assert keyword, and then I'm using it like this. See this. Now I'm just going to print it. Let's see. Now I'm going to call my class equal to my class. If I use -1 here itself, it will throw an error message, right? So I can say like, okay, I should not use -1, but instead of that, I'm going to pass 0. Now see this. Okay, now call my class dot display. Here itself, let's see this. Oh, okay, I used greater than or equal to 0, right? It should be greater than 0. Okay, then it will print because it is accepting it, right? Now I'll say like greater than 0. Okay, now I will use it, call my class, and then call my class display. See, you are getting an error message. Assertion error. Please enter chapters. Value is greater than 0. So you just enter 0 instead of if class. So you can use it assert class anywhere. So this is what you can use this assert keyword in this Python. See you in the next class. Bye.